In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new page with creating a new template starting from blank or just duplicating a pre-existing page. So if you want to duplicate the page that you already have, then you just look it up. You can look it up by the name, or you can use like the groups, the sites, and then you just click on those three dots over here and you click clone, and that will just create the duplicate version of this page. So you will also see that I just added the word clone here at the end, and then you can just click on edit and you can adjust that, and you can clone it as many times as you want. And if you click on the settings, then you can also change the name of the page directly after to make sure that the page name is updated, and you can also adjust the category inside over here. So that's basically how you can do that. I definitely recommend that if you, especially for thank you pages, confirmation pages, anything that you're I already created something and the structure is the same or the design is similar, it can save you some time. If you now want to create a completely new page with a completely new design, then just click on this big blue button over here, and then you can see all of the templates that are available. You can also save your own templates. If you create something and you're okay, this is a template that you want to save the full template, but you can always just clone a pre-existing page as well. Yeah, you will find all of the templates over here. As you can see, currently there's 530 results. So you can also filter here based on industry, if that is something that you want to filter on, or what's the goal. So this will kind of it will depend what are the different functionalities inside that, whether you have a checkout page already in there, things like that. So you can definitely look at those options as well. And then you have the page type. So this is yeah, maybe a little bit more helpful, more straightforward. Whether that's a squeeze page, thank you page, long sales page, checkout page, whatever it may be. So you can just go through that, but you can also filter on colors. So if you know your brand color is green, you can filter on that to kind of see some examples or maybe to get some inspiration. However, you can always adjust any of the colors from any of the templates that you choose. So here I can put for example, thank you page. So let's say that I want to create the page that is my general thank you page, not specific to any offer, that I can always use for anything. Then I can choose the category that I have, and then the sites, and then you can just choose the exact template from here that you want to choose. So for the thank you page, let's say I want to use this one. I know that I want to have an image over here, and then some text over here. And then if you click this little icon over here, you can also see the preview of the page. So sometimes it might be helpful to actually see how the whole page looks like. For the thank you page, those are typically quite short. But if you do want to create a sales page, for example, then if you go here and you click on long sales pages, it might be helpful to look at the whole workflow, because sometimes you can be oh, I actually really want to use this kind of structure or this type of section in my page. So you can just go through it and see. And I think over time you will kind of know what already works for you, or how you can adjust that. So that is the first step in creating a new page, whether you use a page that you've already created or you start from scratch. And you can always create a blank page as well, so there is nothing in there, and then you start from scratch.